How much can you send via Remitly, and what is the maximum amount you can send on Remitly? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how much money you can actually send from Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are curious as to how much money you can send from Remitly, it's relatively simple to find it out. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Remitly application here. Now the amount of money that you can send depend upon the type of account that you have. If your account is verified, you can send more money. If your account is not verified, you will not be able to send much money like the verified users. And to check this, all you have to do is just tap the My Remitly option from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the My Remitly option from the bottom of the screen, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you should be able to find this option called increase limits. Make sure to tap on it, and when you tap the option known as increase limits, you're going to be able to see all this. And now here you can see I'm currently on the tier 1, as you can see current. So if you're on tier 1 like me, within 24 hours you can send $3,000. Within 30 days you can send and make a transaction of $10,000, and within 180 days you can make $18,000. That's the maximum amount you can send. If you go for the tier 2 verification, and then once you reach tier 2, you can simply apply for it also. There are some of the information you need. You can send up to 6,000 in 24, 20,000 in 30 days, and 36,000 in 180 days. In tier 3, you can send up to $30,000 in 24 hours, $30,000 in 30 days, and $60,000 in 180 days. And that's simply how it basically works. And just depending upon the type of level and the tier you are currently in, you should be able to figure out your own limits. This way you'll be able to figure out how much money you can actually send on Remitly. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.